All right, good morning, Five Alive. We're doing high impact this week. Last week was low impact. Here we go. So I'm only going to do one side and then double time. So this is all classic cardio that I used to do, high impact. So it's heel, heel, good morning, double time, and pump it. Then I'm going to go to knees right here, knees up, 4 up, then 1 knee, 3 marches, 1 run, 1, 3 runs. Again, knee, 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 1 knee. So I'm putting this pretty quickly together for you. Knee, knee, and then I would travel this. Push, push. So knees to the front. I don't have a lot of room. Good morning. Pop it back. Can't see you guys. From the top, heels. So it's 1, 2, 3, double time. And you really want to crank through this. 4 knees moving forward. Push. 2. 1 knee, 3 marches. Let's go on. Step touch. Hold. So on this step touch, instead of just bouncing, we're going to do a basketball shoot. Push. Either bounce it or jump it. Then from here, just run, run. So it's a wide run. It's 8 counts. And you're going to end up back here on 7 and 8. So watch my legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. 1. Push. One more time. Push. So we're going to add those 2 steps to the combo. Again, I want to build this as quickly as possible. We only have 5 minutes. 1 more. Heel jack. Let's go. Big push. And press. Drive it tight. Knees up. Push. Now I'm doing this in warm-up speed. Yes, I am. Step touch. Bounce. It would be much faster this run. Run. Hold. Okay, stay right there. We're going to go on. Step double knee. And then 2 skips, very simple. Double knee, skip, skip, double knee. It alternates. Skip, double knee, skip, skip. Now I'm going to show you a turn, and I definitely want you to try it. Push, turn. Push, turn. It's not a hard turn, you're just skipping through it. Push. All right, run it out. From the top. Let's put those all together so far. Heel jack. I'm going to crank through this sucker. Double up. Now the 4 knees, you can turn when you do this. Or you can just travel it to a different direction. Then step hop. Jump it. Run for 8. The double knee. Skip, skip. 1 more. Skip, skip. Let's go on. Pendulum. So this is a classic. This is a classic pendulum. So we're going to do slow, slow, then fast. Slow, slow. Yeah? So I'll do like 4, and then I'll do fast. So I just want you to get used to keeping the foot underneath you. Yeah? So it doesn't matter if it's singles or 2 big ones and lots of little ones. Get used to getting that foot underneath you. I think that's the hardest part. Pendulum. Let's go on. Step, hop, march, march. Step, hop, march, march. Then step knee. Step, hop, march, march. We're almost done with the whole combination. Step knee. So make this a little bit more dynamic. Power it. Power it. Step knee. Power it. You can step to the back. You can step to the front. Doesn't matter. Let's go from the top. Right now, right now. All one lead today. Push it. Knees up. Come on. Get enthusiastic about moving. I wasn't this morning. Here we go. Step push. Now I feel much better. Run it out. Double knee. Pop it. Hop. 1 more. Keep bouncing it. Pendulum. Push. Push. Quick feet. You got that. Step hop. Good morning. Step knee. Let's learn the last step. Jumping jacks. All right. So we're going to change the jumping jacks a little bit. I'm going to do a couple here. 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to jump, jump, jump together again. Uh-oh. Time's running out. I got to put the whole thing together. Ready? Heel. Here we go. Whole thing. Double it. Knees up to the front. You could travel. big. One knee, 3 march. Basketball shoot. You can do V jumps, run it. You can turn there. Double knee, skip, skip. Double knee, skip, skip. Pendulum, we're almost done. Quick feet, go, go, go. Step, hop, march, march. Look how much you learned in such a short time. Uh-oh, 5 minutes and 15 seconds. I'm watching my clock. Push it, step, get ready for the big finish. Jumping jacks, 1, 2, 3, 4, jump, jump, jump. We're out of here. Friday, I'll see you for Flexibility Friday. Bye, guys.